it's Brand Coach Angel here, and welcome back to the Brand Coach Angel YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share a few keys for using social media to attract new clients to your coaching or consulting business. But before I get into that, I have to give a little shout out to one of my favorite companies right now, Honeybook. I've mentioned them before, but I actually use them for a great deal of my client management. I'm able to keep track of clients, invoices, contracts. I'm able to do questionnaires. I'm able to send emails. It's really just a one-stop shop for a lot of my business operations, and it's helped me to be so much more organized this year. So if you are a coach or consultant and you're looking for a platform to manage your clients better and to have a better onboarding process for them, I definitely encourage you to try out Honeybook if you have not already. If you want to try it out, go ahead and click the link below in my description. I want to gift you something special so you can try out this program at a super low cost and see if it's right for you. I definitely want to hear about your experience. So after you download it, you try it out for a few weeks, come back, leave me a comment and tell me how your experience is so far. Okay, so now let's get into the video. How do you use social media to attract more clients to your coaching or consulting business? Add value. Anything you post on social media, anytime you go live, anytime you send a DM or make a comment, you want to really be asking yourself, how does this add value for my current clients and my potential clients? So how can you add value? First, you can answer questions. So many people have questions and we want answers, right? And you have expertise that you're able to share. You can help your clients solve problems by answering their questions. You can share tips and tricks. I know for myself, sometimes I forget how much information I have and I just assume everybody knows it, right? We sometimes don't recognize how valuable our experiences and our information is to other people. Everyone doesn't know what we know. The last way that you can add value is by sharing your experience. And this is something I'm working on doing more in my business. So a lot of times we're very formal, and even if you come on my channel, I'm sharing very specific information with you, but I'm really working on sharing more about my experience because people want to work with real people. So yes, you can share tips and tricks like this right now, how to use social media, right? But it's also very valuable for me to share my personal story, how I use social media, what's worked, what hasn't, what I've learned, the mistakes I've made. And I can tell you as a business owner, it's not always fun to be vulnerable and put ourselves out there, but it's actually our stories that are going to help our clients to succeed because we've experienced whatever negative things, negative and positive things that we've experienced. We can help to support our clients to have a better experience and ideally even avoid a lot of the pitfalls that perhaps we have experienced. So those are a few ways that you can add value to potential and current clients through social media. I definitely encourage you to use live features, meaning go live on your platforms, talk to your audience face to face whenever and wherever you can. Really focus on building those relationships, getting to know them, getting to know their names, because we think about social media as a means to almost separate us from other people, right? We don't look at it in the same way that when we interact with someone in person, we think that it's a way to shield ourselves. But in actuality, social media is a way for us to connect even deeper and to connect from a farther distance, right? We have access on these platforms to billions of people. And that is something that business owners just a few decades ago did not have. So we're really blessed. I definitely encourage you to not be intimidated and avoidant of social media, but really to embrace it and to use it to share your great information, to share your talents, to attract new people. It's not about being perfect. It's not about just posting for the sake of posting. It is about being intentional and building intentional connection with your clients. And most importantly, adding value to their lives. Because when you add value to them through your social media, they're going to be convinced that you can add value to them in a client capacity, right? So they're going to be more inclined and more encouraged to want to come on and work with you. So keep all of these things in mind. If you are someone, and ideally I hope that you are, that plans your content in advance, when you're planning your content, really ask yourself, how can I add value? How can I help make my clients' lives better? That is going to really support you in bringing in more clients into your business. A couple little additional tips before I go. I also want to remind you to utilize those direct messages, utilize those comments. As I said before, utilize that live to make sure that you're having continuous communication with your audience in real time, that they feel like they're talking to a real person that cares. That really goes a long way. And once you start to master that and harness that connection energy, you're going to see some amazing results in your business. So thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in checking out some other videos that I have for coaches and consultants coaches and consultants who are interested in growing their business, definitely check out my playlist, which I will go ahead and link above somewhere. And if you have any questions for me, if you want to chat some more, I do have an inquiry form in my description box that you can go ahead and fill out, and we can set up some time to talk. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.